What can I make in 10 minutes, 1 hour, 10 hours? No way, it's 10 minutes.
You can't make anything good even in 10 days.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Before the beginning, I'll explain the rules. Basically, there's only one rule: nothing except modeling doesn't count in the time restriction. So rendering, baking and other things aren't included in the time restriction. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I need a cup. This is my cup. Size is acceptable, it's fat enough. Apply this shit. And now the liquid. Oh, like this? It's invisible. The best glass I've ever made. And I need an ice cube. Paint it blue. Mini cubes for splashes. Paint them too. I don't like this color. Ultra changes. And now animation time. These need to be drawn. Meow, meow, meow. This is so stupid. Meow. It looks as shit as possible. The final seconds. I'm not excited at all, but let's give it a crack. Oh, I forgot about camera. So in 10 minutes we got... Yeah.
Not bad. If you'll turn off the light.
Come on, it was only 10 minutes.
More time won't help you.
For the next, I want to try making Bloody Mary cocktail. I don't know how I will fit in 1 hour, but I'll try.
Where's my popcorn? I want to enjoy this as much as I can.
Okay, now I have some time. The same cup. Let's make it narrower. Delete half of this. Nice. And move it a bit higher. Make it fat too. And make the bottom bigger. Like this. Smooth it.
Someone take this mod away from him.
How fat is it now? It doesn't matter. This is going to be protection from leaking. Everything has to be ready. Here it is. But I need to fix this. Much better. And now shade this shit up. It looks exactly like it's supposed to. But this isn't it. Okay, good. I want to create wooden boards like a table. And for this I'll use sculpting to make them detailed. Okay, I'm almost done. Last seconds I'll use to animate the cubes because I don't have any more time. especially for physics. Shit, one more key. Okay, for this one I have some hopes to be good.
One eternity later.
Yay, it is nice.
Not that big difference with previous one.
Okay, let's move on to the 10-hour challenge. It's going to be the big one and promising, so I'm gonna plan this at first. The room is too small. This looks better. In general, looks nice, but kind of boring. Some tables around the counter should fix this. Damn, I got an idea. This plan looks way more solid, and now I can start filling in the blocks. The first one is done. The first pair is here. Ooh, I really like what I'm getting right now. Now I can start filling the shelf with bottles. This amount of bottles has to be enough. But I don't like how small they look on a shelf, or rather how big the shelf is. Oh, this looks way more natural. Right now it looks empty and plain, so I need to make some details. The glasses are completed, so I can start texturing. The whole texturing is done, so I can paint the counter, or working place, however it's called. I don't know, but I like wood texture. And the bottles are quite easy to make. I think they are good like this. And now I need a texture for the walls and floor. At first the walls. I want to make them in dark bricks. Oh, this one should fit. Yeah, it looks good. Now the floor. The floor I want to make a bit opposite, so for the floor I will choose, I think, light wood. Like this one. Yeah, I like this combination. Also, to make everything look better, I will add some windows, like this. Let's check what we have right now. Good. Probably light will fit on the shelf too. It definitely fits. In the end I can fill the tables with drinks, but at first I have to make drinks. So here is the first one. Square thing. Big cocktail with straw. Small round thing. And something else. And I will replace those empty glasses here. In the end I can fill the tables with the drinks. Some here, some there, and it will be okay. Shit, I forgot the ceiling. Fuck, and the door too. Holy shit, the time! I need to move the door. Ah, come on, come on. Damn. Okay, I'll put it anyway. So now I can render this. I am really curious about this one. Yeah, I like this one.
It was a nice show. The best part here is the music.
Ah, shut up. You didn't make anything for this.
I did. I've been watching. What are you doing?
It's not how you're supposed to help me.